How you doing, YouTube? Back with an updated video. Told you what we had going on. I showed y'all putting a new gas tank. The new gas tank that finally came in. Fresh new gas tank. About to change the shocks and shit too. We about to put air shocks on them. New air shocks. Let's get down here and see what we got. Yeah, we about to change out them old dirty, nasty, filthy shocks. I don't like that. Excuse the way my mufflers and pipe running too. Sorry about that. Little rude air compressor had to cut on us. Sorry about that. Yeah, like I was saying though, we about to get under here and rip them shocks out. Put new air shocks in there. See if we get a good picture for y'all. Yeah, that's a good video right there. Rip that out, put air shocks under there. Yeah, I'm sorry about the way them pipes ran. Don't look at that. Excuse that. Somebody did them for me, and you know, hey man, you get what you pay for. I ain't mad. Sound good though. Like I say, new gas tank, new shocks. Stay tuned. About to put them on. Y'all, where we at with it? We done got all the shocks mounted. Let's get under here. Oh, I'm old man. We got all the shocks mounted up. Got them mounted up good. Everything mounted all up with the shocks. Got them ran. Got the wire ran from them on both sides. See if I can get that one. Got them ran and tucked good. Ain't drill a hole yet for it. It's almost there. Then mounting the tank up there. Gotta hook up this. Hook up these little, supply return breathing lines for the fuel. And we'll be finished. Stay tuned.